Hey, Rick Rose again from Keller Williams. You know, this might be geared toward people outside of Windsor. What I want to talk very briefly about today is why should you move out to Windsor? There are many, many reasons. Now, I was born in Toronto. I grew up in Toronto. I've been in Windsor now for a long, long time. What does Windsor have? Agriculture is absolutely fantastic. The vineyards and the wine that's produced down by Leamington, absolutely incredible. 10 minutes away from here, there's a thing called the United States of America. Oh, big malls, fantastic shopping, great restaurants. Now, if you're in the GTA at all, you know that the average price out there is about 1.1 to 1.3, $1.2 million. What I can do is your realtor, if you decide to move down here, I can find you a place pretty much identical to whatever you're living in right now, probably between the $550,000 and $650,000 mark, which means you sell down there, you move to the banana belt of Canada, which is warm, hardly ever gets snow. If we do, it lasts just a couple of days and then it's gone. Move from Toronto down here, incredible environment, lovely people, and you get to stick about $500,000 in your pocket, leave it in your bank account, or I can help you invest that through real estate. Hey, just a few tips on why you should move to Windsor. Thank you so much. We'll talk soon.